Assalamu alaikum. Hey everyone. I hope all students are fine. So in the previous videos we have discussed the definitions, structure and kinds of paragraph. So in today's video we will discuss about unity, coherence and transitional words. Firstly, unity. What does by mean unity? Unity means that every sentence in a paragraph supports one central idea. The paragraph discusses only one topic and no unrelated information is included. Secondly, characteristics of a unified paragraph. It has one clear and main idea. Every supporting sentence relates to the topic sentence. No irrelevant or unnecessary details are included. For instance, topic sentence. Reading books improves knowledge. It is the example of a unified paragraph. Reading books introduces new ideas and information. It improves vocabulary and language skills. It also develops critical thinking. Therefore, reading is an excellent habit for lifelong learning. Moreover, why is it unified? Why is it unified? Every sentence supports the main idea. The benefits of reading books. So, every sentence supports the main idea, that is called unity in a paragraph. In addition to this, there is second topic which is not unified. Example, without unity. Topic sentence, reading books improves knowledge. Reading books introduces new ideas and information. It improves vocabulary. My uncle owns a grocery store. Reading also develops critical thinking. My uncle owns a grocery store. So it is not related to topic. So there is not a unity in the given paragraph. Why is it not unified? The sentence about the grocery store is unrelated to the main idea. So in the second example, there is no unity in a paragraph. Therefore, unity is very important in a paragraph. Key point. Unity, one paragraph, one main idea. This is a summary of unity. Secondly, coherence. What does by mean coherence? Coherence means that ideas in a paragraph are arranged in a clear, logical order, making the paragraph easy to read and understand. Secondly, characteristics of a coherent paragraph. Ideas are presented logically, sentences connect smoothly, transitional words link ideas, similar ideas are grouped together. For instance, topic sentence. Good study habits lead to academic success. First, create a daily study schedule. Next, complete assignments on time. In addition, review your lessons regularly. Finally, revise before examinations. So that is called coherence. Why is it coherent? The ideas follow a logical sequence and transition words connect the sentences. Thirdly, ways to achieve coherence. arrange idea logically, use transitional words, repeat keywords or use switchable pronouns, keep a consistent order of ideas. Coherence means logical order, expression. It is about expression. Key points. The main summary of coherence is coherence. Coherence idea flows smoothly and logically. Coherence means the expression of our ideas, that is called coherence. The expression of our ideas, that is called coherence in a logical order. Moreover, transitional devices, that is third step. Transitional devices. What does by mean them? Transitional words are phrases that connect ideas, sentences, and paragraphs. They help readers follow the writer's thoughts. There are some common transitional words below. To show sequence. Firstly, to show sequence, we use transitional words including first, second, next, then, finally, last. Apart from this, to add information, including also, in addition, furthermore, moreover, besides. To give examples in a paragraph, we use transitional words including, for example, for instance, such as, specifically. Fourth, to show cause and effect, we use transitional devices including because, therefore, thus, as a result, consequently. Fifthly, to compare, we use transitional devices such as likewise, similarly, in the same way. Sixthly, to contrast, we use however, but, although, on the other hand, nevertheless, yet. Seventhly, to conclude, we use the following transitional words while writing a paragraph or essay. We can also use these transitional words in another academic writing. These are including in conclusion, to sum up, overall, therefore, in short, etc. So, while writing a paragraph, everyone must follow unity, coherence, and transitional devices while writing a paragraph, essay, or other writing. So, it is very important to learn these 3 steps for a proper paragraph or essay. Without unity, coherence, and transitional words, no one can write a specific and a proper paragraph. In conclusion, example with transitional words. Example paragraph with transitional words. So it is exercise for you to comprehend, to understand it. Let's begin. Exercise is beneficial for everyone. First, it strengthens the body. In addition, it improves mental health. For example, regular exercise reduces stress. Therefore, people should exercise regularly. So, there are 3 things which have been used in the given paragraph. These are including unity, coherence, secondly, transitional words. So I hope you have understood it. So in the incoming, if you have understood it, please like to my channel and subscribe to my channel. Inshallah, in the incoming videos, I will try my best to make videos on writing skills, especially for the competitive exam aspirants. So lastly, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.